Hello everyone, welcome to the 2023 AMC test. So today we're going to be doing questions 16 to 20. So the first question says, Sally says to her brother, "You are 10 years older than me." Her brother says, "You are right, and I am 3 times your age. How old is Sally?" So pretend Sally's like maybe 3 years old. If we times that by 3, we have 9. But 3 plus 10 is not 9. So it can't be the answer. So then we have 4. And 4 times 3 is equal to 12. But 4 plus 10 is still not equal to 12. So it can't be the answer. Next, we have 5. And 5 times 3 is equal to 15. And 15, so 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. So 5 must be it. So 5 is also equal to B. So B is the answer. The second one says, how many of the small coloured tiles are needed to cover the large cross shape shown? So instead of having this complex shape, we should use one of the shape, which is a square. So you can see here that the tile is that big. So you can see on the grid at the very right of the turned square, the tile can fit into it perfectly. So that's 1. So that means it can fit in the other 4 corners as well. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have the final ones, which are these. So then it's 5, 6, 7, 8. So now that I know that each square is equal to 8, I have to times that by 5. So in the shape, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 times 5 is equal to 40. And you can see there that 40 is equal to E. So E must be the answer. The third question says, Sirbaha has 7 cards, numbered 1 to 7. She places 6 of them correctly in the 3 number sentences. Which card does she have left over? So first, it's something times something equals 12. The only options are 3 times 4 or 2 times 6. So let's try 3 times 4. So 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So 3 and 4 are not going to be used. The next have something plus something equals 11. So you already have 3 and 4. So the only other options are 5 and 6. But 5 and 6 is equal to 11. So we've crossed out 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now we have something minus something equals 1. So the remaining numbers are 1, 2, and 7. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Because if you do 7 minus 2 or 1, that would still be greater. So the answer still be greater than 1. So that only leaves us with 7. And 7 is equal to E. So E must be the answer. The second last one says, a long rectangular room, 10 meters long and 2 meters wide, has mirrors on all 4 walls. Any beam of light hitting these mirrors bounces back at the same angle as shown below. A guard standing at one end of the room shines a torch at an angle of 45 degrees to the walls, making a narrow beam that bounces off the mirrors several times, stopping when it returns to her. How many times does the beam of light bounce off the mirrors? So if we have the long grid, so they say it's 10 meters long. So let's just say each meter is a meter squared and 2 meters wide. So let's just show it real quick. Okay, so let's use a different color, yellow. So bounces off here, and then it bounces off here, and you can see it's too wide. So it bounces here, then here, then here. But here we reach the edge, so we bounce here. But there's no more, so we bounce off of it, and we bounce back the way back to here. So now let's use red to point the dots. So let's just get the dots. So now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that means 11 is our answer, and 11 is equal to D. So D is the answer. Last one says a can filled with 30 marbles weighs 150 grams. The same can with 20 marbles weighs 85 grams. How much does the empty can weigh? So if a can of 30 marbles is 115 grams, the same can with 20 marbles weighs 85 grams. So if we subtract that, we'll get how much it weighs for 10 grams. So let's just do it real quick. So 30 grams is equal to 10 marbles. So now let's times this by 3, because there's 30 marbles originally, and times this by 3 as well, which is equal to 90 grams. And now we subtract that from the can. So originally it was 115 grams. Now it is 90. So that would equal. So it would equal 25 grams. So 25 grams is our answer. 25 is equal to C. So C is our answer. Thanks for watching today. And please like and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Bye.